Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam stated that efforts are on to build 6 more godowns to increase the rice stock storage capacity in the state. He expressed hope that for this the state government will get approval from the centre. The Indian Navy has banned Navy personnel from using social media and smartphones at naval bases, dockyards and onboard warships, according to a media report. The stringent step has been taken by the force after 7 Navy personnel were caught leaking sensitive information to enemy intelligence agencies on social media. A 6-month free training course in Diploma of Computer Application (DCA) began today at Gur Ventures Computer Training Centre, Kaisampat, under the sponsorship of Manipur State Women's Development Corporation Limited. 35 boys and girls are taking part in the training course. Awapali Khubam Ningsing Loop Secretary Thokchom Premjit said that the organization is making efforts to erect a statue of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at Kamranga of Kasar district. A new authorized service center for Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited, Ran Honda, was inaugurated today at Khurai Konsam Lekai, Imphal. The Guwahati City Police and the Civil Administration have lined up a slew of measures to check drunken driving on New Year's Eve. Special flying squads have also been formed to prevent any untoward activities on the New Year's Eve in the city. Dense fog enveloped Delhi and adjoining cities this morning, disrupting air and rail traffic as the visibility was reduced to zero in some parts as per a media report. 30 trains are running late due to low visibility. At least 50 flights have also been delayed, even though authorities earlier said no flights have been cancelled. China has introduced a new law with the aim of preventing violence against medical workers. The announcement comes days after a female doctor was stabbed to death at Beijing hospital. According to media reports, the law bans any organization or individual from threatening or harming the personal safety or dignity of medical workers. The law will take effect on June 1st next week.